Hello guys, FriendlyCast here. We're playing some Watch Dogs today.
FriendlyCast and friends.
Yay.
We're gonna go do this.
Oh look, there's a crime detection.
Oh wait, did we forget to turn cheats on, Zach?
Yes, we did.
We're gonna do that right after this.
Wow.
Right.
Wow, Juan. That was pretty amazing.
Oh no.
Oh wow. Wow, you're a
I
superhero.
love my life.
You're a superhero. FriendlyCast. Hello guys again, we're back. We had to turn our cheats on. So now we can literally like go in the slow motion like forever. What do you think?
I think explosions are cool.
Yeah, explosions are really fun.
Look at all the lights.
Whoa, look at all that smoke. Whoa, it's so bright.
What more? We have no light.
Yeah, we're playing Watch Dogs. This is legit.
Oh my gosh.
It won't even. Okay,
It's like
I think it
freaking-
already is. Sort of, I actually think it did. Yeah, it did. It's sort of. I don't know why it's not like, dying. It won't die.
I didn't even click enter. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, let's check out my car.
Hey, do you like me to car?
Oh wow, it's hard to tell.
Why are you running away? I thought you liked it. I can give it to you for free.
Look out!
Whoa. That's
Oh no!
really
My boat is sinking.
cool. Your boat is sinking.
Actually, it's not sinking. Why is it not sinking?
Your face is sinking.
I just.
So we made it on land. Running around.
Hi there. Are you okay? Oh no! I didn't mean to kill you. I just meant to kill your friend. I mean, I just meant to kill no one.
Wow,
Hey,
look
hey.
at all those cars.
I found a new hobby.
Look at all those cars. Whoa, that's really neat.
That is pretty neat.
Car like
Dodge Challenger
just in
much?
case you didn't notice it. But I see him now.
Why does he have a helmet on? Oh, it's a construction worker. Yeah. My favorite car in the game, you take this vehicle, you politely ask the person inside of it to let you get in, and you pop all the tires and you drive, and it's the perfect police pursuit vehicle because it's so fast. Yeah.
Wait, did you see how quick he did that pit maneuver too?
And then this
He
happened.
was like 30 yards away from me. He was like, oh, he's gonna
Fireworks.
spin around now.
Fireworks. Oh no! Too bad I'm invincible and all of you are gonna die. Stay in your car.
It's as if like he's being like, whoa, that noise.
That's the noise my mom makes.
Is that what she says?
I think she's
She goes-
imitating the goose. Die.
Is that what she says?
Who wants to see something neat?
You and I?
Do they teach you this in school?
Oh, that's really neat.
Are you okay?
There's a helicopter.
Oh.
Destroy the helicopter in the process. Destroy the helicopter in the process, please.
Hi there. Okay, there's a glitch here.
Just keep.
We have to-
It's just slow motion.
Hey, you know it's not very
Pretty
nice
cool.
to shoot me in slow motion. Actually, it is nice because it looks awesome.
My hand's shaking. My hand's shaking. My hand's shaking.
You
But
can
I still get headshot.
you can also click minus and make it go slightly slower. This person, you want me to save
No,
them?
actually save him, please. Just do it. Slow motion. Wow, look at that. The door handle was right on the side of the car.
Door handles are overrated.
Dude, door handle.
Do you have a oh my gosh, he's blind. Is that not like the most depressing thing on earth? Oh no, he's not
wait,
blind.
Does it actually say that he's blind?
No, he just has eye problems, cause like at old folks' homes, I see people with yellow glasses. They have eye problems. Will this help your eye problems?
Wait. Press Z. Press Z.
I did.
Z.
Billy, you have children that aren't yours.
Ooh, yeah, throw the grenade and...
Wait, first I'm gonna do this.
I'm gonna ruin your life right now. It's not as cool. Look how not cool this is. Oh, he did it.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you
like
running? Ha! I tricked you! I tricked you! I tricked you! Oh my gosh!
That was
That
really
woman is invincible. No, I accidentally took down civilian. That
was an accident. I didn't mean to kill
this
anybody.
calls for.
I just mean he was highlighted there.
Oh! Over her shoulder. Yeah, follow me. Come here. Come here. Oh, okay, guys. Guys, wait. First.
Oh, there.
Dead. Oh, I thought he was dead. Okay. Dude. That is very disrespectful. Okay. Let's do this, boys. Okay, so you run over here. You click control and you hold G, which throws a grenade.
Just throw a grenade. Throw it. Okay. Not your rocket launcher.
Oh, that was way too far over. Okay, I'm gonna use
cool.
this guy.
You can actually.
In your face. Okay, this cheat is really fun. Alt.
It's really fun.
Or sorry, not alt. Control 5.
Okay, yeah. No, you don't have to be in super so much. Oh, let's see what the helicopter is.
No, you don't push me. My mom said anybody tries to push me at school.
I will glitch out. That's what I'll do. Well, guys,
that was fun.
I think that's a good way to end off because it's really kind of hard to turn on these cheats, and this glitch is amazing.
Yeah.
I think we're done.